Hello friends, today we will see how to draw a load diagram and bending moment diagram from shear force diagram by using some points which is important. You must remember it. Now let's see the points. Here it is a points. First point is a vertical line in a shear force diagram indicates that there is a point load acting on the beam at that point. And second point is a horizontal line between 2 points in a shear force diagram indicates there is a no loading acting on the beam between those points. Third point is a curve between 2 points. The shear force diagram indicates that there is a UVL acting on those 2 points. Fourth point is an inclined line between 2 points. In shear force diagram, there is UDL acting on the beam between those 2 points. Intensity of this UDL can find using the formula first value minus second value upon span of the UDL, which is explained in figure. Now fifth point is height of vertical line in shear force diagram indicates magnitude of point load acting at the point. And sixth point is if a movement is acting on beam that cannot be seen in shear force diagram. To find the magnitude of the movement, we have to apply the equilibrium conditions. Now let's see to draw a load diagram. As we know, the first point says a vertical line. A vertical line in shear force diagram indicates that there is a point load acting on the beam at that point. At point A, this is a vertical line, so at point A, there is a point load. First, we draw a beam. At point A is a vertical line, is upward in direction, so vertically upward. Now there is an inclined line. See the point number fourth, an inclined line between 2 points. In the shear force diagram, there is a UDL acting on between those 2 points. Point A to point C, there is a inclined line. So A to C, there is a uniformly distributed load. So here it is a uniformly distributed load. Now at point B, there is a vertical line, so is also a point load, and at point D also a vertical line which is vertically down, so it is down. Now point number fifth, height of the vertical line in shear force diagram indicates the magnitude of point load acting at that point. Means this heights, which is 14, means this force is 14 kilonewton, and this is a 12, so is 12 kilonewton. Now it 12 kilonewton plus 14 kilonewton, so it is 26 kilonewton. C to B, there is a straight line, so there is no loading. Now find the intensity of the UDL by using the formula, which is intensity of the UDL first value minus second value upon span of the UDL. What? Intensity first value means this value 14 minus second value is minus 14, so in bracket minus 14 divided by span of the UDL, this total span. Now let's assume 4 meter, it's 2 meter, and it's 2 meter. Now take this span 4 meter divided by 4, so we get the intensity of UDL is 7 kilonewton per meter. Now intensity of UDL is 7 kilonewton per meter. Here by using these points we can draw a load diagram from this shear force diagram. Once we know the load diagram, we will draw a bending moment diagram. Just find a bending moment about all points and draw a bending moment diagram. How to find the bending moment and how to draw a bending moment diagram, which is explained in my previous video. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for more updates.